Hey, today we are going to talk about a 9-day long festival. Well, no, it's not Navratri, it's actually Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is an important festival celebrated in India. It is celebrated by the people who follow Hindu religion. This festival has a very special place in the heart of Indians. Festivals has been an integral part of human being. Everyone loves to celebrate festivals. It brings happiness, joy, and excitement in life. It spreads positive message in life of humanity. Every festival celebrated in this world give positive message and spreads victory of good, faith, truth, trust, and devotion over evil. Festivals are important to human life. Ganesh Chaturthi is also known as Vinayaka Chaturthi. This is an amazing and magnificent festival celebrated in India every year. It is mostly celebrated in the month of July. This festival is celebrated to mark the birth of Lord Ganesha as the son of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. Lord Ganesh was born in Mount Kailash. This festival is celebrated on a large scale in whole country. Lord Ganesha is considered as the first worshipper god. He is considered as a problem solver for good people who follow right path and obstacle creator for those who do not follow the right path. He is also the Lord of Intelligence and he has millions of devotees who worship him all over the world. Lord Ganesha is known for his wisdom, intellect and calmness. Well, are you by now curious about how Lord Ganesha has a body of a human and a head of an elephant? Well, make sure to check out our blog linked in the description and don't forget to like, share and subscribe while you're at it. Hey, if you're still here, I wanted you to know we have an exclusive Facebook group which is linked below where we are building a community. So, make sure to join us and be the part of the Festivals of Earth community.